friends. I'm Dr. Rohit Lamba. I'm a consultant orthopedic and joint replacement surgeon from Gurgaon, India. So let's discuss about the case of the week this week. This is a 56-year-old gentleman who came to us from Africa, from in Liberia in Africa, and he had been in a real misery. For the past 2 years, he had been crippled because of his hip pain. So he had pain in the hips in both the sides, and which has been increasing ever since. For the past 4 years, he had been bothered by this to the extent that since the last 2 years, he has not been able to stand and walk at all. Barely with the help of crutches or a walker, he is barely able to walk to the washroom only and not beyond. So he came to us, we diagnosed him to have severe avascular necrosis leading on to arthritis and a lot of bone loss. So what was typical in his case was that if we consider this as the acetabulum, so there was a lot of bone loss here in the superior part, because of which putting in a normal cup was a real challenge. So they had to use special techniques and special ways to put in a cup which fits his anatomy and which provides him a normal pain-free hip. So we managed to do that on the right side with an uncemented cup, which was a slightly bigger size. It's a 56 mm. On the left side, the bone loss was so severe that we had to use a bone graft from his own head of the femur that we remove. We fix it here and fix it with the screws, and then would put a 48 size cup. So this is his story, how he came to us really in a wheelchair, and he was almost crying out of pain. And after the surgery, he cried again, but this time the tears were of happiness. So he had a very good pain relief, started walking, and is very happy with the outcome. And we are happy to help him. Thank you.